Have you ever wondered if an artificial intelligence can develop its own sense of ethics? Now, that's a question that keeps technologists and philosophers up at night. You see, the whole concept of ethics in AI is a fascinatingly complex one. It's a world where lines between right and wrong are constantly blurring, where we're grappling with how to ensure that these machine minds are fair, transparent, and accountable. And nowhere is this dilemma more apparent than in the field of statistical machine translation, or SMT for short. SMT is a type of AI that translates languages. Sounds simple, right? However, it's a task fraught with ethical implications. Bias in translations, lack of transparency in how these AI systems learn and evolve, and the responsibility of developers in curating these systems are just a few of the challenges we face. AI in SMT presents a unique set of challenges that demand our attention. Firstly, let's talk about bias in data. It's not a secret that AI systems learn from the information we feed them, and when this data is biased, the AI's output is as well. For instance, consider a language translation AI trained primarily on Western literature. The result? It may inadvertently prioritize Western cultural norms and language nuances over others, leading to unfair or incorrect translations. Secondly, we encounter the issue of transparency, or rather the lack thereof. AI systems, particularly those in SMT, are often seen as black boxes. Their decision-making process is complex, often leaving us in the dark about how they reach their conclusions. Imagine an AI making a critical translation error in a diplomatic negotiation. Without transparency, we're left guessing about the cause of the mistake. Lastly, we grapple with irresponsible development practices. In the race to create the most advanced AI, developers might sideline ethical considerations. An example, developing a translation AI without proper